Do you want to know how you can log into your Lawson Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Lawson Payroll account. Go ahead and open any browser on your PC, then go to the search bar to search for Lawson Payroll. Scroll a bit down and find this link. So click on this link, which is called Payroll Services Lawson's, and then after you click on it, it will take you to this site. Go ahead and click My Payroll, which you can see on your screen. It will take you to the official login portal of Lawson Payroll. The first step is to write down your username. After you write down your username associated with your Lawson Payroll account, go ahead and go to the second box and write down your password. Make sure to check your password by clicking on this icon and then click on Login. This way, you can successfully log into your Lawson Payroll account. If in case you have forgotten your password and want to reset it, go ahead and click on Forgot Your Password, write down your username, your email address, and then click Email Reset Instructions. This way, a mail will be sent to your email and then you can reset your password soon. I hope this video about how you can log into your Lawson Payroll account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.